like that. Then do it like this.
How can a single LED glow in two different colors? Today, in day 9 of our 37 sensors challenge, we're exploring the KY011 two-color LED module with Arduino UNO.
For this project, we need components: Arduino UNO and the KY011 module, jumper wires, power cable, and breadboard. Let's look at the connections now. Connect the module's two signal pins to digital pins 9 and 10, and connect the common pin to GND. In the code, we define pins 9 and 10 as outputs for the red and green LEDs. Inside the loop, Arduino turns the red LED on, then the green LED, then both together, and finally turns both off, each for 1 second. This sequence repeats continuously. Upload the code, and you'll see the LED switching between red, green, and a combined color automatically. A single LED, two colors, and a simple way to understand how digital outputs control real hardware. Thanks for watching. Follow Circuit EdTech for day 10 of the 37 Sensors Challenge.